Hello guys, so welcome to my first video. This is my first gaming video where I don't know what kind of I'm already like a tow truck guy, so yeah. Already like a tow guy. What the hell? Why does this guy NDT watch it? Oh yeah, this is one of my favorite. This is one of my favorite to fix. Damn, let's just go to my voice so bad. Never mind. Yeah, this is my first gaming video and hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe. Yeah, if you guys think I'm cringe, yeah, I am cringy. Even in my TikTok videos, I'm cringy. By the way, this video is not edited. Ah, nag-record na ako eh. Dapat walang maingay.